Here's exactly how you can be able to make money as a beginner here on YouTube. You probably started your YouTube channel expecting to blow up, hit the monetization mark, get the 1,000 subscribers, the 4,000 watch hours, and get paid by YouTube. But unfortunately, that did not happen, and you now feel frustrated because you are not making money on YouTube. Then don't worry, I'm here to give you 7 proven ways in which you can be able to make money with that following. If you have 10 followers, 100 followers, 200, or even 500, this video is for you. You need to stick to the last point, because the last one, you are able to make money even without having to upload each and every time. Just uploading that one video or the 2 videos, you can be able to make up to $2,000 per month. First way is through brand partnership. So many brands out here are looking for a way in which they can reach their target audience at their customers, and YouTube is one of the ways they can be able to reach their customers or their clients so that they can be able to make more sales in their business. If you are creating content around makeup, educational, inspirational, you can actually target brands who can work with you. So when it comes to working with brands as a beginner here on YouTube, it is very advisable for you to go for brands that are not so big. Like if you are just a beginner, go and look for brands that are just beginning just like you, and reach out to them, show them that your content, what you can be able to offer, and the kind of content you actually create that resonates with their brand. And so many brands can be willing to work with you and pay you, even if it will not be as much as other big YouTubers are being paid, but it's actually a way for you to be able to make money. So go and reach out to brands. If you're a makeup artist, if you are in the cooking industry, if you're in the educational like me, you can be able to reach out to brands that resonates with your content and reach out to them through email. Send them email and ask them if you can be able to partner together, create content for their brand, and they pay you while at it. So when you are reaching out to brands, make sure that your content is resonating with their brands. Don't go for brands that do not resonate with your content, because most probably they will not work with you. Number 2 is selling merchandise. Merchandise are things like caps, mugs, hats, t-shirts, or hoodies. When you're just a beginner and you have like 10 followers or 100 followers who like your content, they like the name of your channel, you can be able to create merchandise and be able to sell to your subscribers who can be willing to buy from you. So let's say a good example like me, my YouTube name is Digital Girly. I can be able to choose a hoodie and then place my Digital Girly name there and be able to sell it. Or if you have a slogan like keeping fit, if you have something like girl power, or if there's a slogan that you always speak in your content, you can be able to take that slogan and place it in hoodies and in caps, and people will actually buy. So when you are beginning, the sales will not be that high because your followers are not that big, but as you grow, it can actually be a big business for you and you can actually reap good out of it. So this way you can just start small and the profit will not be high, but you need to keep pushing and being consistent, and always be informing them each and every time that you have this merchandise so that they can be able to buy from you, because they cannot buy what they don't know. So keep promoting it, keep telling them that you have this cap, you have this mug, you are selling, and they literally buy from you. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be able to grow this family and reach to the best place. The third way you can be able to make money is through hosting events or workshop. This can either be online or offline depending on where you are. So let's say it's an offline workshop. If your followers are around where you are, they are around where you live in your country, in your city, then offline will actually work for you. But if your followers, your subscribers are not where you live, then online will be the preferable way. So workshops can be things related to what you speak about. So let's say you are a personal finance coach, or you give education on things like learning digital skills like I do. I can be able to open a workshop, an online workshop or a webinar and sell out the tickets to them and sell out the tickets to my subscribers so that they can attend my events. And through selling these tickets, I can be able to make money. So you can choose. Let's say you are in the cooking industry. You can be able to create a masterclass of teaching people how to bake, how to cook, how to hairstyle, how to do makeup, and then sell this as tickets so that they can be able to attend your webinar. And this way you can be able to make money and bring in another income using your YouTube channel. The fourth way is selling digital products. As we all know, the world has moved from the offline to the online, and everybody is on the online space trying to learn new ideas, make money, and you can be able to take this chance by selling digital products. When it comes to selling digital products, you can do things like ebooks, you can do things like guides, you can do things like courses. So if you're in the cooking industry, you can do things like selling recipes as you can create recipes as an ebook and sell it to your subscribers, and they can be able to buy from you. If you are a person of finance, you can create budgets. You can create budget trackers and sell it even as low as $10, $5, and people will actually buy these things. So you don't need to think so much. You just need to look at around your niche, around your industry. What can you actually create as a digital product and sell? You can be able to create digital products today very easily using just Canva and ChatGPT. You are able to create as many digital products as you want, from guides to ebooks to courses. So you don't need to think so much. ChatGPT can do a bit of the work for you, and you put in a bit of knowledge that you know and create this digital product and place them in places like Teachable, Gumroll, Etsy, Shopify, and you can be able to sell these things very fast. You come here on YouTube, you market your products, and you get your subscribers to buy these products from you. I'll leave a link here below on these places that you can be able to sell your digital products. The fifth way is you can be able to sell your services as a freelancer. Let's say you have started creating your videos and you are good at editing. You can start selling your services of editing, or you are good at creating content, writing good scripts. You can be able to sell this as a service, or as a service to other YouTubers who have their channels that are not working, or maybe they're just busy, they cannot be able to tackle all these things. But if you have skills that you have learned over time and you can be able to offer in your channel, then you can go ahead and start offering. For me, I do content writing, social media marketing, and email marketing. I'm able to sell these services to people, like writing YouTube scripts for them, like creating email lists for them, and managing their email campaigns. And these are services I can be able to offer just here on YouTube and showcase and market myself, and someone out there will be able to reach out to me. So look around you. What exactly do you have? If there's a service you can be able to offer, do not sit with it. Like, literally do not sit with it, because people are willing to pay you this money. If you can just be able to offer value and give value to them, they will pay you the money. So don't sit around and just feel like you just have 10 subscribers or 100 subscribers, you are waiting for Google AdSense. That alone is not enough. So start grabbing the money with the services you can be able to offer. Number 6 is through coaching services. I feel like this is the number one when it comes to so many YouTubers here. Like, they offer coaching services. You have started a YouTube channel in personal finance, in making money, in business tips, in educational content. You can be able to offer coaching services, a one-on-one call. People can actually book a one-on-one call with you. You offer your services, you offer your expertise, and you give them advice on whatever industry you're in. And this relates to the point that we are talking about. Apart from just offering your services in terms of writing or something, you can offer your coaching services, like having a one-on-one call and telling them on exactly what they need to do, how they need to go about it. If it's on if it's on their business, what are the things or what are the challenges they are facing and how they can be able to tackle them. So look exactly at the skill sets you have and use those skill sets to offer a one-on-one call. And when it comes to offering a one-on-one call, you have a place like Calendly. Just go to Calendly and create an account, and there people can be able to get you directly by you offering your links. And that's why I'll also be offering my links here below if you want to book a one-on-one call with me in regards to learning your digital skills, social media marketing and content marketing. I'll be so delighted to start that conversation with you and help you through in any way I can be able to help you through. Number 7 is the best, the easiest, and everybody can literally start. So let's say if you don't have any skills, you literally started here on YouTube because you want to make money, you don't have any skills but you just have something to offer. So this number 7 will actually save you a lot, because YouTubers are making up to $2,000 per month. The good thing about number 7 is you don't need, it is not as complicated as these other things. You don't need any skill set, you just need yourself and you need to go and look for it. So what am I talking about? Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is making people up to $2,000 per month without having to show up each and every month producing content here on YouTube. We all know that creating content here on YouTube will actually make you the money, but if you can be able to create a YouTube, if you can actually be able to create a video that can showcase, if you can be able to create a video that has affiliate links and people will be coming back for it and it will go viral, you will make so much money even without you being monetized. And when it comes to affiliate marketing, you need to really consider some things. You really need to consider things like recurring, or the amount, the commission that you actually get paid with the affiliate link. So places like Amazon Associates, it's really not advisable because their commission is not that big. So you can start with things like email software, tech reviews on things like cameras, microphones. Recurring affiliate programs, they really have good money. So when it comes to email softwares, they are the most when it comes to recurring. So you need to go and check them out if you are creating content around that. Like here for me, I do learning, I do e-learning, so I can be able to get good affiliate links and place them for you so that you can go and tap. And the good thing about affiliate links is you really don't need so much knowledge. You just need to go to Google and look at the industry that you're in. So let's say you're in the health and wellness industry, you just go to Google, type in health and wellness affiliate programs, and they will just come out there and they'll just come rolling to you. So you go and look at the one that you can be able to enroll with, that has good commission and it's also in your country. That is one thing you should really need to consider, because there are so many affiliates that are not in certain countries like Africa. So you may get that this affiliate has good money but it's not in your country, so do not waste your time trying to apply for them. So you can be able to make money with affiliate links. Do not wait for the Google AdSense to come. Start making money with the affiliate links and these other tips and these other ways that I have actually mentioned here on this video. And if you have no skill sets, you still want to make more money here on YouTube, I'm going to place a video here or a link here below. You can be able to go and watch the high paying skills that you can learn in less than 90 days and be able to start making money with those skill sets. So do not sit waiting for Google AdSense when you can be able to actually make money here on YouTube without having to rely on Google AdSense. Because even when you go to look at other YouTubers, they will actually tell you Google AdSense alone is not the way they make money on YouTube. You need to open your eyes to different ways you can be able to make money here on YouTube, and there are so many ways. So do not just sit and wait for Google AdSense alone. You can start making money with these 7 tips. So make sure to leave a comment here telling me which of these 7 you're actually going to try and you're actually going to implement in your YouTube channel. I create this and so many other content like learning new skills, making money on the online space and business ideas. So do make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you cannot miss out on any of the videos, and hit that notification bells so that you cannot miss out on any video that I release each and every week. From me to you, it's bye bye. See you on my next video.